welcome back to my channel. It is of course Chelsea of She Designs Things. And in today's video, I am so excited to share with you my copywriting and SEO workbook for Google Sites. So this workbook was a while in the making, but I'm so happy to have it done and completed. You're able to purchase this workbook in its entirety on my site or in my Etsy shop. So here you have the copywriting guide, and it is just not just a copywriting guide, just so I'm clear. It is also kind of some tips and tricks. It is a guided workbook, so there are 64 pages. There are copywriting prompts for all of your main pages. And then there are detailed explanations as to what goes on every single one of those pages. There are also like how to control your social link previews, which is a thing. Yes, you can control what your social link previews look like in your Google Sites, which a lot of people don't know that you can do, but I'm so happy to be able to share that with all of you. Now, I do have my usual tips and tricks. A couple of checklists are located in here. I have my typical layout, what generally would go in a layout for a home page. And then I will have an extended guide coming soon, which will probably include all of the other subsequent pages for the copywriting is already there for the subsequent pages, but more examples and more of a breakdown. But once you have your homepage down packed, it's pretty much the same formula across all pages with little small tweaks to the copyright. So yeah. All right. So again, you can just pick this up on my shop, which is shedesignsthings.com, and then you can just put / and it's actually the shop. But if you want, you can also purchase this in my Etsy store as well. All right. So I should also say this is strictly recommended for people who are using a Google site. I will create a guide for those of you who don't use Google Sites and you use other website builders. I'll create just a regular copywriting formula and guided workbook for those individuals as well here shortly. All right, again, thanks so much for watching, and of course, see ya.